Oh no! The storm flooded our entire farm!
The water keeps spreading everywhere!
This looks serious. I need to help. Look at that water rising! We have to save the fields.
Go, dump truck! You can do it!
Hold on, everyone. I'm coming through.
Moo! The water is everywhere! We can't get back to the barn!
The flood trapped all the animals.
Please help them, dump truck!
Don't worry. I'll find a way to save everyone. Go! Bingkomsi Stakurachli! The flood trapped all the animals.
Please help them, dump truck!
Whoa!
The island is getting smaller! The water keeps coming closer!
We have to rescue them now!
They are running out of space!
I know exactly what to do. Stay calm, everyone. I'm on my way. Look, the dump truck is coming.
They're going to be saved! The hero truck is coming!
I'm here. Let's get you to safety.
Yay! We're safe!
Everyone climb aboard. I'll get you all to safety.
Yay! The hero truck is saving us!
Good job, partner. Let's head to higher ground. Can't stop me now, Rain.
Go, truck, go! Woo! Keep going! You're the best!
Thanks, kids. Mud's no match.
Yay! Faster!
Moo!
We love it!
One more push. Listen, Parquet. We're unstoppable, kids. Right back.
Please! Stop now!
Hold on tight. Here we go.
Woo! The dump truck made it! We're finally going home!
The rescue path worked.
You're doing great, dump truck!
Everyone stay calm. I'll get you to safety one by one.
Ooh, we're ready!
That's it, kids. One at a time.
You can do it! Help! The water is too strong! Run, run!
Watch out! The calf is slipping! Nobody gets left behind!
Nobody gets left behind.
You did it! You saved them!
That's my hero truck.
You saved our farm truck. You're a true hero.
Yay! Farm hero! You're the best!
I'm happy to help my farm family. We're so proud of you.
Best day ever!
We made it.
The flood can't hurt us now!
Everyone is safe.
Thank you, dump truck!
You are all very brave.
Thank you, Dad!
You saved the day, big guy. It was my pleasure. Stay safe, everyone.